So you're thinking about moving to beautiful St. Augustine, Florida? Well, today we are in Madeira. Madeira is a beautiful master plan community. It's a gated community, has its own amenity center with pool and fitness center, and it has, like you can see behind me, beautiful homes. This is a gorgeous home, the Solera model by AR Homes, and they were kind enough to let me film it. They do have beautiful marshfront lots here. You're going to want to stick around because we're going through this home from top to bottom and we're getting after it right now. So let's get rolling with our tour of the Solera model by AR Homes on this beautiful marshfront lot here in gorgeous St. Augustine, Florida. Let's go. Behold this breathtaking Solera model by AR Homes. This home is 4,310 square feet of living area. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 1/2 bathroom, and a 3-car garage. It has a screen lanai with a pool and a sun shelf. The kitchen even has a hidden walk-in pantry. The owner's suite and bedroom 2 are on the first floor. Bedrooms 3 and 4 are on the second floor. Last but not least, the home sits afront a marshfront tidal view lot overlooking the Talamado River beyond.
Real quick, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to know everything about living in the Jacksonville, Florida area and the surrounding suburbs, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current real estate market here in Jacksonville, Florida. My name's Jay Wyke, I'm a local realtor, and I get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people just like you that are looking for help relocating to this area, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in a month, a day, few days, or a year, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or even click that link below for a Zoom call one-on-one with me. I'm happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. So I hope you enjoyed today's tour of this beautiful Solera model by AR Homes. If you have any questions about the Madeira community or AR Homes, floor plans, lot availability, build time, any of those questions, reach out to me directly. My contact information is in the description below. If you're a local to St. Augustine and you have anything you might want to add as far as insight to the area, if you like living here or anything like that, those are always welcome. Please leave a comment below. And like I always say, whether you're moving in a month, a few days, or a year, reach out to me, give me a call, text, email, or even click that Calendly link for a Zoom call. I'm happy to help you make a smooth move to the Jacksonville, Florida area, or like today, beautiful St. Augustine, Florida. And until next time, hope to see you around town.